Good morning, students. I, Mr. Satish Chandakun, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, is going to take a mechatronics subject in this semester for you. Mechatronics, the subject code is 17ME754, and since this is also a CBCS system, it is there are 5 modules included in this mechatronics subject. We will discuss today the syllabus part of the mechatronics subject as per the VTU. So it consists of modules. Totally there are 5 modules. Module 1, which says about the introduction part of the mechatronics, and it also includes transducers and sensors. In the introduction part, you are going to learn the definitions or the definition of mechatronics and multidisciplinary scenario, evolution of mechatronics, design of mechatronics system, objectives, advantages and disadvantages of mechatronics. So introduction part consists of basically brief introduction part of mechatronics, its definition, and multidisciplinary scenario means it is a interdisciplinary subject, that is not only mechanical, it is related to electronics and computer also. So this you are going to study. Then evolution of mechatronics, how it got evolved, where it started. Then design of mechatronics system, objectives, advantages and disadvantages of mechatronics. The second half part is about the transducers and sensors. In the transducers and sensors, again you will learn a definition of transducer and classification of transducers, difference between transducer and sensor, then definition of sensors and classification of sensors, principle of working and applications of light sensors, proximity switches and Hall effect sensors. So transducer are also a kind of sensors. There is a little bit difference between transducers and sensors. We will study it later. So first module consists of introduction, then transducers and sensors. Module 2 discusses about microprocessor and microcontroller. In the microprocessor, again introduction, microprocessor systems, basic elements of control systems, microcontrollers, difference between microprocessor and microcontrollers. The second half part is microprocessor architecture and terminology. So various terms related to microprocessor architecture we are going to study. Then CPU, central processing unit, memory and address, input output and peripheral devices, ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, instruction and program, assembler, data registers, program counter, flags, fetch cycle, write cycle, straight, bus interrupts, and finally Intel's 8085 microprocessor. So architecture of the 8085 microprocessor is there only for your syllabus. So in the second half part, you are going to learn microprocessor architecture, that is the design of the microprocessor. Then module 3, programmable logic controller, simply called PLC. In that you are going to first introduction to PLC, that is its basic structure, principle of operation, programming and concept of ladder diagram, concept of latching and selection of a PLC, that is programmable logic controller. So here concept of ladder diagram and concept of latching is important. Then second half part is integration, that is how the integration part of this mechatronics takes place. So here we are going to, here it is majorly it is taken the example of robot systems, which is a very nice example for a mechatronics system. So in this module only robot is taken as an example. So in that integration part you will study introduction and background of the integration part, then advanced actuators, pneumatic actuators, industrial robot, different parts of robot, that is controller, drive, arm, end effectors, sensor, and functional requirements of robot. So in the integration part, we are going to study how the robot is an integrated system of mechatronics. Then module 4, here two actuation systems you are going to learn, mechanical and electrical. First half, mechanical actuation systems. In the mechanical actuation system, basic mechanical systems like types of motion, cams, gear trains, ratchet and powell mechanism, belt and chain drives. Then mechanical aspects of motor selection. Second half is electrical actuation system. So usually the motor is the actuator, electrical actuator. So in this module you are going to study electrical systems, then mechanical switches, solenoids, relays, DC and AC motors, direct current and alternate current motors, principle of stepper motors and servo motors. So basically related to motor and its parts you are going to study in the electrical actuation systems. The last module is module 5 is about pneumatic and hydraulic actuation systems and DCV and FCV, that is a directional control valve and a flow control valve. So first half is pneumatic and hydraulic actuation systems. In this actuating systems, pneumatic and hydraulic systems, classification of valves, pressure relief valves, pressure regulating or reducing valves, cylinders and rotary actuators. So you are going to study basically the pneumatic actuation systems. Second half, DCV and FCV, that is a directional control valve and flow control valve. You are going to study hydraulic actuation systems. So principle and construction details, types of sliding spool valve, solenoid operated, then symbols of hydraulic elements, components of hydraulic system, functions of various units of hydraulic system, and lastly design of simple hydraulic circuits for various applications. So second half you are going to learn different parts of the hydraulic system and simple hydraulic circuits for the application part. So this completes module 5. Finally, textbooks and reference books. In the syllabus mentioned they have given 2 textbooks and 2 reference books. First one textbook, Premchand Mahalik Mechatronics. Second is W. Bolton. So Bolton is available in the library. Reference books. First one Mechatronics by HMT Tata McGraw-Hill. Second one Anthony Esposito. But other books you can refer as per the VTU syllabus. One is Mechatronics and Microprocessor by 3 authors, compiled by 3 authors, that is K.P. Ramachandran, G.K. Vijayaraghavan and M.S. Balasundaram. Second, one more book is there, Mechatronics by C.R. Venkataramana. So you can take these books also, since these are as per VTU syllabus. So this is brief study about the syllabus of mechatronics. In the next session, we will start with the module one, that is introduction part. Thank you. Any queries? Let me know in the afternoon.